Staying in the loop, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even at work: staying in the loop. Understanding idioms like this is crucial for becoming fluent in English, as they enrich your conversations and help you express ideas more naturally. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of staying in the loop. Staying in the loop is an idiom that means being kept informed about what is happening in a certain situation or environment. It implies that you are part of a loop, or group of people who are up to date with the latest news, developments, or gossip. This phrase can be used in both professional and personal contexts. For example, in a work setting, staying in the loop means you're aware of the latest project updates, while in a social setting, it might mean knowing about your friends' plans for the weekend. The exact origin of staying in the loop is a bit murky, but it's believed to be derived from the older practice of looping someone in on a conversation or a piece of communication, literally bringing them into a closed circuit of information. This idiom reflects the importance of being connected and informed, a concept that is timeless in both personal relationships and professional environments. Let's look at a few examples to see how this idiom can be used in sentences. 1. At work, please keep me in the loop about any updates on the project. I want to ensure we're all moving in the same direction. 2. Among friends, let's stay in the loop with each other about our weekend plans. I'd love to join if I'm free. 3. In family, I try to stay in the loop with my siblings' lives by scheduling regular video calls. These examples show that whether you're discussing projects, plans, or personal life, staying in the loop is about maintaining open lines of communication. To stay in the loop effectively, consider these tips. Communicate regularly with your team, friends, or family. Use technology to your advantage by joining relevant email lists, social media groups, or messaging apps. Ask questions if you feel you're getting out of the loop. Offer information freely to others, fostering a culture of sharing and openness. Understanding and using idioms like staying in the loop can significantly enhance your English communication skills. It's not just about knowing the words but grasping the cultural and contextual nuances that come with them. We hope this video has helped demystify this common idiom for you and that you'll feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, keep staying in the loop with us.